Chapter 1, Characteristics, Evolution and Classification of Computers. What is a computer? The original objective of inventing a computer was to create a fast calculating device. So the need for solving mathematical calculations for human from was from ancient times. So we needed a device which can calculate these calculations faster. So computer was invented. A computer is often referred to as a data processor because it can store, process, and retrieve a data whenever desired. That means a computer is also called as data processor because it does three tasks. That is, it can store, that means it can store a message, then it can process, that means doing some mathematical calculations on that data, and retrieve data whenever desired. So whenever we search file in a computer, it gives us result. That means it finds that file and it opens it for us. So that means we are retrieving that data. The activity of processing data using a computer is called data processing. So using of data is called processing of data. The data processing consists of three sub activities: capturing input data, then manipulating that data, and managing output results. So this is basically what a computer does. It takes a data which is raw material, then it provides input to a computer which is data processor, and then it gives output from computer, and we get information which is a finished product. Evolution of computers. Researchers invented computers because of man's search for fast and accurate calculating devices. Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical adding machine in 1642. So it was evolving from very ancient times. So in 1642, Blaise Pascal invented first adding machine. Later in the year 1671, Baron Gottfried of Germany invented first calculator for multiplication. So the first calculator was invented in 1671. Before that, Pascal invented adding machine in 1642. Keyboard machine originated in United States around 1880, and we use them even today. So keyboard was invented in year 1880, and we are using that keyboard even today. Around the same period, Hermann Hollerith came up with concept of punch cards that computers used extensively as input medium even in late 1970s. So even in late 1970s, punch card was were invented. Charles Babbage, a 19th century professor at Cambridge University, is considered as the father of modern digital programmable computers. He designed a difference engine in the year 1822 that could produce reliable tables. So Charles Babbage invented difference engine. So it was in the year 1822. So this is how the computer technology is evolving. Now in 1842, after 1822, that means 20 years later, Babbage came out with his new idea of completely automatic analytical engine. So analytical engine was performing analysis, and it was performing basic arithmetic functions for any mathematical problem at an average speed of 60 additions per minute. So that means analytical engine was performing 60 additions per minute. So it was uh, still slow, but it was still better than the first calculator which was invented in the year 1671. So in the year 1671, we had a calculator, first mathematical, and in this year uh, 1842, we had an analytical engine. which was performing 60 additions per minute. A major drawback of early automatic calculating machine was that their programs were wired on boards that made it possible to change programs. In 1940s, Dr. John von Neumann introduced the stored program concept that helped in overcoming hardwired program problem. So in 1940, Dr. John von Neumann introduced the stored program concept.